Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to check if your PC has solid-state drive or hard disk drive on Windows 10 laptops or desktop computers. So, at first, what you have to do is just go ahead and right-click on your Start button. From here, just click on Run. And in here, you just need to type DFR GUI and click on OK. This is gonna open up the Optimize Drivers window. And from here, you're gonna see every single hard disk or SSDs listed here. As you can see, I have two SSDs and two hard disks, as well as one removable drive, which is my pen drive. So from this, you can see how many SSDs or hard disks you have on your system. That's basically it. It's very simple. And that is how to check if you have SSD or HDD on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.